Have you ever felt like your brain is like a leaky basket? The book you work hard to read, notes you took, and the course you study. After a few days, they slip away like sand through your fingers, leaving little behind. Then we blame ourselves for having a poor memory and fall into the vicious cycles of learn, forget, relearn, and re-forget. But the truth from neuroscience is, forgetting is the standard factory setting of human brain, not a personal flaw of yours. 138 years ago, psychologist Hermann Ebbinghaus drew the famous forgetting curve through numerous experiments, which coldly reveals the fact you forget more than 66% of the newly learned knowledge within one day. This means that if you take no action, most of the learning outcome you gain by investing a lot of time and energy will evaporate quickly. What you're doing is more like pretending to learn than truly mastering. But the true values of Ebbinghaus lies not in telling us how forgetful we are, but in pointing out the only way to combat forgetting is through active review at the right time. And today, what I want to take you through is using this ancient scientific principle combined with modern technology to build a powerful, never forgetting second brain for you. So, what is your second brain? It is not a scattered notes in your notebook, nor the dusty collecting article in your bookmarks. A true second brain should have the following characteristic. First, it should never forget. It can permanently store all core knowledge that you learn. Secondly, you should have instant access. It can quickly and accurately retrieve knowledge when you needed it. And third, it's self-evolving. It's not only store knowledge, but also help you deepen your understanding, connecting different knowledge points, and form a knowledge network. The traditional way of Ebbinghaus memory table is just too anti-human nature. Do you need to manually plan review times for dozens of knowledge points over the next few months? It's too tedious. You give up after 3 days. And there's slow review efficiency. When time comes, how to review, reread it, or do exercise. Unclear methods greatly reduce the effect. And it is lack of positive feedback. The whole process is as boring as paying a debt. How to build your second brain from principle to practice. Building a second brain only takes 3 steps. A modern technology can help you do it effortlessly. Step 1. Capture. Convert any knowledge point you want to internalize into a format that the second brain can understand. This can be a concept, a formula, a note, or an inspiration. The traditional ways is to record it in a notebook. The intelligent way, in Ebbinghaus, you can capture with one click, whether you are attending class, reading, or doing exercise. When you encounter key points, quickly generate a knowledge card. You can even use voice inputs to quickly give a 5-minute explanation as the initial explanation of this knowledge point. Step 2. Interact. This is the key. This is the core that distinguishes the second brain from that node. It's not hard drive for storing data, but a brain partner that evolves with you. The traditional way, when the time comes, you flip through your notes with a note effect. The intelligent way, your second brain will automatically remember everything for you based on an improved Ebbinghaus algorithm that reminds you on time at the moment you are about to forget. What it gives you is not a cold day, but an efficient interactive review. Step 3. Integrate. Single knowledge points are fragmented. An integrated knowledge network is powerful. Every interaction you have made, this brain becomes smarter. The traditional way, you draw mind map yourself, which is time-consuming and difficult to maintain. The intelligent way, the second brain will automatically help you establish connection. From now on, make learning easy. Our ultimate goal in developing Ebbinghaus is to become the second brain for every lifelong learner. We believe that learning should not be a struggle against human nature, but a pleasant technology aids self-upgrade. You don't need a strong willpower, you just need a reliable system. It remembers all review plan for you, freeing you from tedious planning. It gives you the most appropriate review content at the best time, doubling the efficiencies of every review. It gives you immediate positive feedback and a sense of accomplishment, allowing you to clearly see that your knowledge base is constantly being consolidated and expanded. Eventually, you will feel every knowledge point that you learn truly and permanently becomes part of yours. You can call upon it at any time to solve a real-world problem. This feeling is the confidence of having a second brain. If you want to experience this photographic memory learning state, welcome to the world of Ebbinghaus. Welcome to our official website at ebbinghaus.com to experience it. Start today to build a truly yours, never forgetting second brain.